Hello friends. Many times it happens that you want to screen mirror your iPad with your computer. It is very easy with MacBook where you can screen mirror using QuickTime Player. But when it comes to screen mirroring on the Windows computer, that's where the problem starts. Probably you need to buy a software. Today I'm going to give you an easy solution by which you can easily screen mirror your iPad to your Windows computer. So let's find out how we're going to do that. For this, you need to go to your browser, type ApowerSoft iPad recorder. Here is the software which you're looking for, ApowerSoft. Just click on it. It will open for you. In this case, we will be just downloading the software. In this case, we want the software for the Windows. We are downloading it, and in short while it gets download. Once it is downloaded, you can install the software. It will ask you the language, English. Click next. Accept the agreement. Specify where you want your software to be. I'm putting in the C drive. Put next. Create a desktop shortcut or create a quick launch shortcut. You decide what you want. I don't want a quick launch for this software. I can have it on the desktop. Click next and install. Once you finish installing it, launch the software. Once you launch the software, just to check whether it's working fine or not, you can go directly to evaluate. And after this, almost very easy. So once you launch the program, you need to take care of one thing, that is your iPad or iPhone and your computer should be connected with same Wi-Fi. Once you realize that, just go back to your iPad and you can see there is a screen mirroring here. Just click on screen mirroring and you will see that ApowerSoft is available. Click on it and you are ready to go. You can see now your computer is mirrored on the screen. You can also extend it to the full screen. If you want to record this or you want to remove the watermark from the system, you need to buy the system. So here is your iPhone connected to the screen. If you want to stop screen mirroring, then you can go back here, click on stop screen mirroring. So with that, good luck. Enjoy your connections and see you next time solving some other problem. Bye and take care.